Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to share my thoughts with you guys about why I decided to switch from the Erin Condren vertical neutral planner to the Erin Condren hourly colorful planner. So if you guys are interested in hearing about those reasons, then please keep watching. Okay, so this was my first Erin Condren planner. I purchased this particular planner in April of 2018 and I really loved it. Now, I was used to the whole like happy planner way of planning, and so that is pretty much why I decided to go with the vertical layout. And let me just show you a blank canvas. This is the vertical layout, and that's pretty much why I decided to go with that. Now, I also knew that a lot of the stickers that I had were happy planner stickers, and I knew that they would pretty much fit perfectly inside of this particular planner because the dimensions are pretty much the same. So let me show you what a spread looked like in this particular planner for me. So here we are. This, I used the colorful, no, what is that called? The rainbow sticker book, the classic rainbow sticker book. And as you can see, the headers pretty much fit in there perfectly. The full boxes, let me show you one where there's a full box. That doesn't count. That's an Etsy kit, Etsy kit, Etsy kit. I was trying out the whole Etsy kit thing. Let me show you one back here. That's pretty much a full box, but let me find one without rounded corners. Okay, maybe we can't find one. Maybe we'll have to settle for this. So this is what I'm talking about. This is a full box, and this is pretty much two. It just has rounded corners. But as you can see, these fit pretty much perfectly inside of the boxes. Now, if you like spaces in between your days, which is a little, I feel like a little unique to the Erin Condren planner, not so much, you won't really find that too much in the happy planner, then this might be something that you might try out. As far as like if you're using a happy planner or some other planner and you're thinking about trying out the Erin Condren, I'm going to recommend going with whatever colorway you are most comfortable with. I prefer black and neutral, rather, I should say. I prefer neutral, so that is why I chose this one. And I preferred at the time planning vertically. I still do prefer to plan vertically, so that's pretty much why I decided to go with this. Like if you're used to planning vertically, but you want to try out an Erin Condren, I definitely wouldn't say maybe hopping into an hourly or horizontal. I don't think that that would be a good idea if you're used to planning vertically in like a happy planner or some other kind of planner. I definitely would say trying out the Erin Condren vertical, mainly because the stickers that you already have are going to they're just going to fit in here and everything's going to be right with the world. So even the stickers with the clear backing, they're going to look pretty good in this particular planner because you're pretty much working with a blank canvas. So let me just show you. I know I just showed a blank spread, but yeah, you're pretty much working with a blank canvas. The only thing is if you don't want to run your plans from Monday over into Tuesday, you are going to be kind of confined to these boxes. But for the most part, if you don't really care about that kind of thing, then I think that trying out this particular planner is going to be the way to go if you are thinking about purchasing an Erin Condren, because I know a lot of people are interested in doing so, but they're a little bit nervous about the price and they don't want to not like it, which I understand. But I would say move into, I'm going to say a neutral one. Now, I think a color one is a little too much. So I'm going to say a neutral vertical if you are looking to move into an Erin Condren planner. So anyway, eventually I did move into this new planner over here, and I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts about this. Now, this was sent to me by the folks at Erin Condren, so I did not pay for it. Otherwise, I probably would have stayed in my other planner because there's nothing wrong with that. I'm actually giving away that planner because I don't use it anymore. I don't want it to go to waste, so I'm putting it in the mail probably tomorrow to someone who claimed it. But the reason why I decided to get this particular planner is because I wanted to try the colorful, because let's look at September. If you look at the colorful layout, you'll see that the purple really isn't like overkill. The color in this planner isn't really overkill. Even here, The purple's not really that big of a deal. Purple's my favorite color. September's my birth month, so I'm down for the cause for September. But the color isn't really that huge of a deal for me. And so that's why I decided to just try out the color, because then that would, for me, it would give me some direction whenever I'm planning out my spreads. For example, let's move back to July. This was the 4th of July. It already had blue at the top. It kind of forced me to, not necessarily forced me, but it kind of encouraged me to use some of my blue stickers, because I will just use black and gold, black and rose gold, black and silver stickers if I had my way, which I technically do have my way, but I'm just saying I would totally do that. But this kind of like gave me the option to just play off of the blue that was already on the spread. That was not the 4th of July. I don't know why I said that. This is the 4th of July, but that's kind of why I decided to do that, because I just felt like the color wasn't too harsh. Now, as far as the hourly layout, as you can see, a lot of the Happy Planner stickers will fit in here. This is a perfect example. These are all full boxes. Now, depending on how you line the stickers up inside of this hourly layout, you are going to have some white space on either side. And that is because these columns are wider than the boxes in this particular planner. So let me just show you that. Well, I'm not really going to be able to show you that, but I'm going to try, because I want to try to show you guys. Here we go. That's pretty much lined up on the left, but as you can see, it's not as big as this column. So there is going to be white space, whereas this box is going to fit this box isn't going to fit in this box perfectly. You're going to have some overlapping because this box is just too small. But as far as the width, this particular sticker, which is one of the stickers from the Happy Planner sticker books, is going to fit the width of this pretty much perfectly. But it's not going to fit perfectly in here. You're going to have white space on either side if you choose to put the stickers like in the middle. Otherwise, if you put them closer to the left, you're going to have more white space on the right, obviously. But for the most part, as you can see, the stickers from the Happy Planner fit inside this pretty much perfectly well. Like, there's really, not too much. I mean, I don't care to have white space on either side. If you like your stickers to kind of fit perfectly within the parameters, this is going to be an issue for you. But if not, and you're a Happy Planner maybe, and you're thinking about using an Erin Condren, you're going to be able to just bring over your whole sticker collection into this planner or into the vertical planner and just make it work. Now, I don't have an Erin Condren horizontal. Horizontal planning doesn't really appeal to me outside of my mini Happy Planner, which is I usually use it for like note taking. So I've never tried that particular planner. But as far as the hourly and the vertical, your stickers, any stickers that you have are really going to be about the same with recollections. Actually, I have some more stickers over here. The Erin Condren stickers are obviously going to fit inside of there. These are stickers from, I don't even know, American Crafts. They're pretty much going to fit. And let me see if I can find like a sticker that we would actually put. Let's use like this sticker and we'll just slap it down, or I'll just kind of show you what that would look like. Well, let's see. Let's take this sticker and see. Well, that's going to be a little small, but as far as fitting it, it's not going to work for me because I need the sticker to at least cover up the 8 a.m. because that would bother me. But as far as it fitting inside of here, again, it's going to fit inside of here. Every sticker is pretty much going to fit inside of here because this is pretty wide. So there's that. But for me, I kind of like to cover up the time. And I like to kind of put it in there perfect, like right in the middle. Like I would really put it like there. And then that would show. So that would bother me. So that's really not going to work. But I could probably just put it closer to the left. That wouldn't bother me too much. But I really prefer to line it up in the middle. So I have a little white space on either side. I really like that look. Another reason why I chose to move into the hourly is because using an hourly planner really makes me feel like I'm getting my life together, because like, let's flip to the current week. So whenever I don't have a place that I need to be or a time whenever I don't have to fulfill like a certain time, then I just use like checklists or like quarter boxes or half boxes or full boxes even to kind of decorate, because I am more so a functional planner, but if I can do a little bit of decorating to make things a little bit cute and a little bit more appealing, I will do that too. But as you can see, I have tons of pen on here, and I'm going to be adding more and more as the week progresses. So I am mainly a functional planner. I just do a little bit of decorating here and there whenever it allows, but for the most part, whenever I sit down to plan, which I show you guys on this channel, I make sure that I'm actually like planning and using my planner to be productive, because I really do feel that I am being really productive in this particular planner. And so that's kind of why I decided to go with the hourly. But anyway, those are kind of my thoughts and the reasons why I switched. A lot of you guys will ask me that. And so I guess I've never really explained it. So I wanted to explain that to you guys. So I don't know. Just tell me what you feel about it. Are you interested in coming over to the Erin Condren side? What do you feel about that? I don't know. A lot of you guys tell me that you want to try it, but the price is a little steep, which it is, obviously. I think everybody knows that. But I don't know. Just tell me your thoughts about it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.